My name is Katie Moore. I'm a junior and I study environmental planning and policy with a minor in pre-law.
I'm Elle Mosier. I'm a current MBA student graduating in May, and today we're sitting down with Professor Nadeau to talk about why donor support is important. Professor Nadeau, how have you seen donations towards the Hyde Hall renovation transform the student experience?
It's been very positive and long overdue. Hyde Hall was an older hall, was run down. It wasn't really fitting the needs of how we teach today compared to back in the day when classrooms were set up more traditionally with straight rows of chairs and desks with a lecturer or professor up front. Now they're more collaborative and more role plays, and we break the classrooms apart with rotating tables and conference rooms and mini conference rooms, and that works really well, much better.
And how do you think this has impacted the students and their morale?
So the students love it because it's a much more bright space, more collaborative space. It's a nice, fresh, vibrant space that they're proud of, and makes for a better experience for them.
Professor Nadeau, what other continued impacts do you see from the generosity of the donors?
So it continues to make it obviously a better space, but it goes far beyond just the current students that are here, which is the obvious piece. When we do tours, campus tours with potential families or walking people through, it's a nice, bright, professional space. When we have corporate sponsors and potential partners coming in to visit Plymouth State, I'm the founder of the Professional Sales Institute, and companies pay a premium to have access to our students in the classroom. So now when they visit Hyde Hall, it's a nice professional space. And when we are in the classroom with them, we make it very engaging. And corporate partners will be part of that experience in the classroom.